just like these. They rise from the deep. A gelatinous mass without blood, without bones, without even a brain. Like the star of the horror movie, The Blob. Some jellyfish are as big as a human. Others are smaller, but more deadly. They're some of the most poisonous creatures on Earth. Humans can't escape their toxins. Hundreds have died from the sting of a particularly deadly species. The box jellyfish. And it's watching you watch it. With 24 eyes, 24, clustered around the four corners of their bell, giving them 360-degree vision. And all those eyes face inward, toward the stomach. It's hungry, and it doesn't need a brain to deploy its deadly weapons. Each of the flowing tentacles is lined with millions of spring-loaded harpoons called nematocysts. These tiny barbs are unrivaled by almost anything else on the planet. When a creature brushes against them, they fire like harpoons. Only an ultra-high-speed camera under a microscope can capture these images. The lethal harpoons explode with the force of a bullet. In fact, this is one of the fastest biological processes in nature. Blink, and you miss it. The barbed harpoons lodge under the skin. By the millions, they pump venom into this unfortunate fish. But the real horror is yet to come. The victim is paralyzed, but still alive. Its mouth open, as in a silent scream of terror. Creepier still, it's slowly digested to death. In full view through the transparent blob that's eating it alive. Blobs without brains, with whip-fast harpoons and 24 eyeballs. So look out, the blob could be coming to a beach near you.